wonderful people. I bring greetings to you. I greet you good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere where you dare they take to see my video. I greet you. I don't come again this afternoon, this morning, this evening to bring you another story where Emilakon, Baba Jagaban, the campaign team, the strategy where they don't bring put for ground, where they come they share rice, gari, beans, groundnut oil. Is it for beans? Is it for gari? Is it for groundnut? Is it for agbado? Recruit 5 million youths. You understand? Sure, you understand now. Now you are carry come. You gonna see the picture as they run.
If they say they want a change of government, just tell them, we like to be polite, but shut up your mouth.
For Rivers State where she go campaign, I've been for Akwa Ibom where she go campaign, where she talk say anyone where can they tell you change, say make they stone the person, say make they stone the person, say make they ask the person here na bus stop. You gonna hear all these things. I know why they put this in, so I know why they talk am. Now you go.
Anybody that tell you change, tell the person carry agenda and get away. Are we in bus stop? What you did not do 19 Kirindi is now that old age has caught up with you. You want to come and change? You can't change. Rather, you will turn back to a baby.
Yes.
You will turn back to a baby.
Yes.
From old age, nothing.
Yes.
So, nothing like change.
Say Labour Party, say anybody wait there for Labour Party, say they go Labour to intern, they go Labour to dead. But he forget say now through Labour when in Labour he can get what he get today, we can become human being. You know, say only for Nigeria country where we say when they tell truth, when they talk truth, give people for we get bad belly now then we will come they try to spoil the matter. Most as 2023 they come so where election they run. Now you will come they hear all this blah 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 come they run.
Ẹgbẹ́ bàjẹ́ àwọn bí àwọn láwọn labour náà ṣekú. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ káyé ní onílébìrà o. Àmín o. Ọlọ́run ní sọ yín di lébìrà o. Àmín o. Ire rẹ máa bá délé o. Àmín o. Ire owó. Àṣẹ. Ilé ọmọ. Àṣẹ. Ire àlùbáríkà. Àṣẹ. Ẹ̀yin ló kàn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ẹ̀yin ló kàn. Àwa ni.
Now you will come they hear all this blah 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 come they run so. Now, for that 215 or 214 way patient thought this thing, say anybody way say change, made they stone the person. Now him Baba Buhari upon Konyanogoro, the president of Republic of Zoological of Oman, you understand? But now country anyway, na Nigeria where would they? Na Nigeria will never stay come out there. But now the way they behave, now he make where they come they say na Zoological Republic. Even Baba Fela talking for him music where he sing say animal one give us human right. No be only now the call when they talk about Baba Fela don't talk before say animal one give us human right. So if they come they talk and we come they fight this time around, they should first of all go fight Baba Fela for him grave. Understand? So now where they go report Patient Goodluck for ICC International Criminal Court say she say anyone way touch it made a stoner. Now with the con they talk change your government and in this one.
Congress presidential candidate General Muhammadu Buhari is to report the First Lady Patience Jonathan to the International Criminal Court for allegedly mobilizing a hate campaign against him. General Buhari, in the petition to the criminal court, claimed that Mrs. Jonathan asked supporters of her husband to stone anyone who chants the APC's change mantra. The call by Mrs. Jonathan was reportedly made at a PDP rally in Calabar, Cross River State. The APC Presidential Campaign Council yesterday said a letter of complaint against the First Lady will be formally dispatched to the International Criminal Court, the Inspector General of the Nigeria Police, and the National Human Rights Commission.
when they tell us say more shut up, I beg. Wetin dey different between shut up and stone? You know, say even for them, for APC, now them wait us say if they no perform well, say make the stone there, say make them throw the stone. I no get that video here, but I soon bring that video where even the talker, even any nobody talker say now waiting APC talk say make the stone there where they can't fight her. Now why I can't make this video be say this time around, good luck Jonathan for Rivers State when go inauguration, 20 something years inauguration of that very country, where you can't say may we no vote for killers. 2023 say may we no vote for killers. But you know say for Nigeria country, now money and where people they vote.
That 2023, you must not make mistake to vote killers. Those who will carry knives, guns, and all kinds of gadgets to go and kill people because of politics. They are the enemies of society. If you kill to become a leader, you will continue to kill to remain a leader. And the people will continue to suffer. So you must continue in this spirit and make sure that from House of Assembly to House of Representatives to Senate to Governor, you vote the right people in Akwa Ibom State.
And where people they follow. They don't use their senses, they don't use their head, they walk. We only use our leg, raise up, but they carry our head, they walk. And be the problem of that very country. Now this video they go. Where can they hear more? You can't hear under better story. We follow but join. For 2023, we don't hear them say Shetima say na he go be in charge of military, where Tinubu go be in charge of economics for the NBA NBA conference where they go, and he went talk this one. Why they touchlight all this thing? You know, say for during the independence, for the first election or whatever that happens in Nigeria, even from time where Britain want give Nigeria independence, now he where they thought say Nanda Zikiwe go be the picture head, will be ceremonial president. While Awolowo go be the chief and commander of the armed forces. Understand? Where the main power go there with the emirs of Kano. Now so we can see not con dey but for this power where you see outside they call the Buga, they say now they will get Nigeria. Now what did Britain do? That one another video we go make another day. But now this one not done they happen. Why good luck on the thought this is so no vote for killers? This Shetima way they see so now him be one of the co-founders of Boko Haram. Now he will be the number one, the first sponsors of Boko Haram. Where Boko Haram can't get wing, can't fly, can't get big shoulder past Nigerian military today. Why they talk all these things? I beg one of them mind this crazy way they hear so. You don't say we were the work for factory. I say I know they work. As I they hear the hustle. That's the way they hear all this noise. But no mind of everything joy. All na sound, all still they make the video making the sweet well. So why I call it all these things? Now APC don't come. Say anybody way they campaign on that level, say you go level to death. What did that mean? Shut up now to tell Nigeria, say make the whole Nigeria say make them shut up. Level to death now the whole Nigeria way APC still say make the level to death. So what be the matter? What make me come bring this story when they come up like this? 2023, they don't tell us say more will use our head, but we not listen. Even for 2014, before 2015, where they make election go where Buhari and his team Congo campaign where they talk say APC top to bottom, Nigeria top to bottom, and today we don't see the bottom. We even don't enter bottomless bottom. Now where would they so?
APC Nigeria from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom.
This one is all tumbling. I'm doing water. Everything is not funny. You're playing ball. I play. My neighbor press ball.
Bottom. Now where would they so? And this time around we don't hear. They don't talk say they go continue from where Buhari stop. If they continue from where Buhari stop, my brother, where would you say we go reach? Now that place here we say we go reach for the bottomless pit. Understand? We go reach for the bottomless bottom feet. Now that place where we go reach. If a Miloko, where you can't give us corn, where you can't give us this one, can't give us that one. My people, this is time for every Nigerian to use his head as we they push this Obidati movement of a thing. We know say not don't gang up, not don't make their own arrangement. Even I gave video where I don't make before where not record it out say na them we get no, say not na their own. Say if they don't try win two states, say the rest na story. Say oh, they know how to make everything. When they come they talk say Moses and they talk say not na their own. So my people, this time around, it's not time to vote for political parties. It's not time to vote for. But one thing where they sweet me this time is that this election for 2023 where they come now between Wazobia, Yoruba, Tinubu na him be the wa where they there, Atiku na him be the Hausa where they there, Biana PW will be the Bia where they there. So this time not battle for the three geopolitical zone of Nigeria where accommodate every other zone. South, southeast, and north. So I beg, as this video come to you, share this video, make this video go viral. But may you know say 2023, if you make mistake go vote for killers, my brother, my sister, now you go hear them. Now we go hear them. And no one here you will person will come complain say this government don't do this, don't do that. No better use our head. No better use our brain. No better day white this time. This is not time for church play. No be bobo Jews. No be bobo Jews. I don't talk my own. I don't talk my own. I beg, like this video. Make this video go viral. God bless you. Biko, share this video. Biko, share this video. Do Allah do Annabi, share this video. Ejo, share this video. Class.